today we are here after a month and it's have been a lot of time with this Avita Pura and we'll review it. Don't skip any part of the video to get the information about how it is. We should buy it, we should not buy it. Thank you for your so much of love on the last second video on the video editor which I've tell you. I'm Adrian watching Bob Tech and let's get into it. So the first thing which I thought by myself that after watching many YouTubers, big YouTubers videos, they just tell that it's a cheap quality product. So I wouldn't say it's a cheap quality product. It's basically depends upon your pocket, how much your pocket contains. So on that basis, the quality of the product depends. If you don't have the budget of buying the laptop of 40, 50 and you want to go for only 25, 30 or 20 and this is your margin. So you can take this because you can't afford the expensive laptops. And for this provides you Ryzen 5 8GB RAM, SSD 512 SSD at the price of only 32. But if you want to take the laptop, don't buy it now. Wait for some time, little bit of patience. You can buy it in the December sale, Christmas sale. When it will come, you can take, and it will be very cheap at that time. So try to buy the laptop in the December sale. And I bought it at 25, and that is quite cheap, too cheap, because if I compare this specs with the other companies' laptops, so they provide i3 Ryzen 3 10th generation, and over here we get i3 7th generation, 8th generation, 9th generation, but over we get Ryzen 5 3500U, a monster processor at the price of this. No company provides this what Avita provides, because it's a brand new company, and if the company wants to compete with the other companies like Dell, Acer, HP, Lenovo, many are there, and this company want to compete with them, so they have to sell their product cheaper in comparing to the other laptops. So the people will think of this because it's too cheap and it provides wonderful specs of about 40,000 laptops, so they will try it. That's why I have taken it. I don't have the capacity of buying a good laptop with about 40,000 plus rupees, so I bought this one. After that, we'll talk about its battery life, and I would say if you let it be open without doing any work, it will be on for about 5 hours, and if you are doing little bit of work, it will go for 2.5 hours, and if you are going for creative work like video editing or photo editing or any type of heavy programs if you use, it will last for only 1.5 hour or 1 hour. And that's just true because I have experienced it. There is nothing wrong if you are using any heavy program and it's very heavy. It will just run for 1 hour or 1.5 hour. If you are doing video conferences, it will last for 2 hours. So that's about its battery life. Little bit of issue is about you must have seen with the other laptops, and this laptop also has about its fan, and when you do any hard work or any little bit of processing work, it will just run very fast, and it produces a medium level of noise, and that's just I'm not care about because I don't have any noise issues in my room, so that's fine. It's problematic for me. If you have any such types of problem, if any questions or anything related with the laptop, so you can just ask in the comment box is there. You can write any sort of question. You just ask for this, and I'll just 100% reply your question what you are asking. So many people told me that it's AMD processor we should take, or we should take the other laptop. I would suggest yes, you must take the AMD processor because the Avita Pura, for now sake, I don't have that much of programs to tell you, but I have this one big program that is DaVinci Resolve. and it's a great program, great video editor, and I have posted a video. You can just get it in the upper box. Link is in the description. You can get it, and for this program I have used it a lot, and it's a very great program, and it helps me editing all my work, all my videos and all. So for the processing part, it's very fast. I don't have any other laptop to compare with this one, so I'll just show you how much time it's take to render a HD video. I don't have any 4K clip like the project which I have uploaded last time. I'll just open that, because the video which I have uploaded some days before, and here we have a project. So here we have a clip. We'll just export it and just see how much time it takes. So for this I have just browsed it. I have selected YouTube 1080p and just I have selected save and asked to render, and over there you can just see render has came. I'll just start render processing, and over there at the top, as you can just see, it's little bit blur. I'll show you from the close distance that it's telling only 44 seconds, and it just processed 39%, 40% at this moment of time, and it's just completing the project, and that's just great. You can just imagine how fast it is doing, because you must have seen the video how much long it is about if 8 minutes long video, and 8 minutes he has done in only 44 seconds. That's just great. For its audio and the speakers, they are completely blasting, and I have just explained it and showed the processing of this audio and the recorder to you in the previous video. If you want to see that, you can go, the link is above over here. You can just see how it works. And if we talk about its screen, yes, it wobbles little bit when I work. Yes, it little bit vibrates when I type. And if I just give you two suggestions, that if you work with the touchpad and the keyboard very lightly, it will not wobble, and if you apply a little bit of force on the keyboard, yes, it will, because its body is little bit weak and its hinges are too tight. And for the ports, here we have the USB, here we have the charging port, here we have the USB type C, here we have the HDMI, and over here we have our USB type 2.2, here we have audio jack, and we have SD card also. And if you have any SD card of your mobile, you can just insert it, and that's also a good thing. And after that, and when you are doing like me, video editing, photo editing, any word or online classes or anything, yes, this laptop gets little bit heat up quickly. I don't know why, but yes, it just gets heat up quickly, and it will get heat up in 10 to 15 minutes, and that's enough for him to heat up very quickly. It's getting very cool. Please click on the red button to heat up our room. On the RAM basis, I just have 2 or 3 Chrome tabs open and video editor, and it just consumes about 50% of the RAM, not more than that, because it has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, and it's just working great with this laptop. Those come free with it, and one problem is that for the office, if you want to get the office, you have to buy the office. There is no office window, Microsoft Office available with it, so you have to buy it. If you think about its build quality, I'm also not that much satisfied by what I was thinking that what I'll get in this. So it's a little bit cheap quality, and it's because the company is brand new and it want to sell the product in the market and want to compete with the other companies, so we have to little bit adjust with the product because it is getting in a very cheap price. So that's why, yes, the quality is little bit degraded. And after that, it's processing. If you think of the storage, it just gives 476 out of 512, because if you get any storage of the mobile, SD card, pen drive, hard disk, any storage you will go, little bit of storage is been consumed by the hard disk only for itself for running the hard disk. So over here we get 476, and that's fine. And in the upcoming video, I'll just tell how we can get a 6-month extended warranty, and we'll just tell you how to do it. At the last, I will make a dedicated video about this Avitapura. If you can buy, or you can go for the other company laptops. For it will a dedicated video will come very soon. This much is for our video. If you think the video helped you, please like it, and if the channel is doing great things and helping you, please subscribe.